Every new morning is another chance to become a better version of yourself. That is one of the thoughts that keep me going even on the days when I feel tired. As a stay-at-home mom of three living in Germany, my morning usually start before everyone else wake up. I wake up to get myself ready. So morning like today, I wake up as early as 4 a.m. because I have a recipe to film before the kids get ready for school. Starting my food recipe journey is something I have wanted to do for a long time, and I am so grateful that I finally had the courage to begin. It may only be one small step, but every dream starts with first step. While you're watching the finished recipe, this is what happened behind the scene: setting up the camera, filming different angle, cleaning as I go, and making sure everything comes together. It takes time, but I am learning to enjoy the process instead of rushing the results. Before I know it, it is time to switch into mom mode. The kids need to get ready, bag need to be checked, and it is time for another school runs. Mother will teach you how to wear many hats in one day, and somehow you find the strength to keep going. Alima, Alima, let's go. Stand up, stand up. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No matter how my day get busy, I make sure to say my prayer and thank God for the gift of another day, no matter what yesterday looked like. Today is another opportunity to keep moving forward. New Kabi? Yes. Edge. You're welcome.
Bravo.
I don't have a comment. Allow me, bye bye.
Oi.
Here, close the door. After dropping the kids off at school, I come back home to another part of my daily routine. I wash all the dishes from filming and from breakfast, clean the kitchen and put everything back in its place. The work may seem small, but these little routines are what keep our home running. Sometimes people think being at home means there's nothing much to do, but the truth is that every day is filled with responsibility that is often go unnoticed. Even so, I have learned to be grateful for every season of life because each one is teaching me something. After I'm done cleaning the kitchen, don't think my works end there. I'm still going to sit down and edit the video that is going up today. I'm always truthful to myself and I need to tell you the truth. Some days I am tired and some days I wonder how long it will take to reach my goals. But then I remind myself that every video, every early morning, every act of consistency is an investment in the future I am trying to build. To every mom watching this, I want to remind you that your dreams are still valid, your journey may look different, and your progress may be slower than someone else. But don't let that stop you. Keep showing up, keep believing in yourself, keep taking those small steps because one day they will become something you are proud of. I am choosing to trust the process, stay consistent, and never give up. One day I will look back at these ordinary moments and realize they were the foundation of something extraordinary. Thank you for spending the day with me. I will see you in my next vlog. Stay blessed. Bye.